Hi guys. First of all, thank you very much for enrolling for CA Final Advanced Auditing with our classes. And believe me, you're going to experience the auditing subject in a wonderful manner. Exam oriented, practical, realistic approach. By the way, watch this video till the end without even missing 1 minute. Very important video. You may call this as instructions video or welcome video. Very important video. Before you start any lecture, this is a very important video. And by the way, believe me, you're going to enjoy the subject like anything. Like many of you might have this assumption or notion that audit is a theory subject, a boring subject. Not at all. 80% of this entire syllabus, I am going to make it extremely practical, extremely easy, extremely likable. Like you can understand the subject like anything. Okay? Now, now what I'm going to talk is I'll explain you what is this chapters or the coverage we have. Getting it? What is the curriculum that we have in audit? What is the syllabus chapters that we have in audit? And what is the order in which that we need to learn this? Getting it? Especially for May 2023 exams as well as November 2023 exam. Now, first of all, you have received the mail, right? Inside the mail, this video in the Google Drive link, you might have seen this video. First, let's look at the structure of Google Drive. So after you open your Google Drive link, so this would be the structure, correct? This would be the structure. Like there is a zero folder, must watch introduction. So inside that folder only you're watching this video. Okay. And I'm attaching this video in the main mail as well. Okay. And module 1 lecture, module 1 here, module 2 and question bank. So what are they? Like every one of you who ever have enrolled, so might have, you might have aware, like you are aware of that. I'm going to give you totally 5 books. Totally you're going to get 5 books. One is smart notes, which is A5 size, like a handy note, colored one. Module 1, 1A, 2 and question bank. Actually 1 and 1A are not two separate books. It's only one book. Since it is bulky, we are giving it you as a 2 books. That's why I named it as 1A and 2 and question bank. In module 2, we are having 3 chapters. Remaining all other chapters were there in 1 and 1A together. Then we are having question banks where I am covering, past examination question papers and RTPs. Up to 2021 May, I covered in question bank. After 2021 May, December attempt 2021 onwards, December attempt, I can say May 2022, and very recently November 22 is also completed. All these 3 I'll do separate suggested answers videos. So you don't require typically a questions in question bank. Getting it? Believe me, 100% questions in every exam in the past 3 attempts were from our main materials. You can directly find a question. You can directly find that side heading or concept. Okay, fine. Anyhow, please watch till the end. Don't skip. Now, first of all, as per institute material, you are having totally 18 chapters. You're having how many? Totally 18 chapter, which is professional ethics, which is the last chapter in the ICI booklet. By the way, this index is there in your material, which you're going to receive. By the way, we have even given soft copy. If you open this, your Google Drive folder, material soft copy, main material, smart notes and handwritten notes. Handwritten notes is given for standards. Okay. So we have given even soft copies also. You're going to get hard copy anyhow. Getting it? Now. So as per our material, we are totally having 22 chapters. As you are aware that I am not covering 21st chapter, which is schedule 3. I am not covering. So which means we are totally having 21 chapters in our auditing subject of CA final. Now, what is the order? You must note this, very important. This is very important. Right now, what I'm going to talk is most important. You must, like if you see, for May attempt and November attempt, by the way, you're going to get edition 22 material, which is based upon November 2021, not November, I guess. I think it is October 2021 edition of ICI material. So the material which I am sending you, hard copy as well as soft copy, whatever I've given you, this is developed based on 2021 October edition. So what about, latest edition of ICA material? The institute has not announced, has not given November, October, whatever, 2022 edition was not given. Which means for May 23 and November 23, institute material released in 2021 is only applicable. Now you may have immediately one question. Sir, are there any amendments? You can find amendments in these two chapters, company audit, corporate governance and audit committee, and ethics. Only in these three chapters, generally we will find amendments. In all other chapters, we rarely find any amendments. But let me tell you, only in corporate governance, we have few amendments. Very few amendments we have in corporate governance. But remember, the amendments, like you are going to write for May 2023, right? Or November 23, right? Whatever amendments were there for that attempt, that amendments, we will give you a free video in YouTube later. Right now, whatever material that you are getting is updated material, relevant material for May 2023 and even for November 2023 exam. Because right now there is no institute material which is available. Only material available from the ICI is October 2021 material, which is latest from ICI. Based on that, we prepared our material, and that is what you are going to get as a hard copy as well as soft copy. Now, you can see here in the Google Drive, we have even segregated the chapters module wise, like module 1 lectures you can find here. Now, if you open module 1 lectures, you'll find all the list. And you see here, there is a point called last priority chapter. So inside module 1, there are some chapters called last priority chapters like fiscal loss and liabilities of auditor. Like there is a chapter called liabilities. The folder is empty because I will have to upload videos, which will be done by December end. Then fiscal loss, there is a videos which are given completely. Last priority chapter. So what is last priority? Don't worry, I'll explain. So you can see 0 chapter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6th one is there in last priority. So you need not watch immediately. After 5th chapter completing, what you should do? 7A, 7B. Now, same way, if you open module 1A, you will find again here last priority chapters. What are last priority chapters? Falling under 1A module, 11th chapter and 20th chapter. These chapters are last priority chapter. Same way, module 2. In module 2, I think there are no last priority chapters. All these three are important. And we have given question bank videos. I told you right very clearly. Just a minute. I told even in my promotion videos that I'm giving revision lectures at free of cost. So these revision lectures we recorded in Chennai when I conducted September 2022 month revision. We recorded entire 27-28 hours. Entire that revision we are giving you. In which order you need to watch these lectures? I'll talk about that. Just wait for 2 or 3 minutes. Next, MCQ lectures. Yes, I'm even giving you MCQ lectures. Case-based MCQ lectures were not yet uploaded. I will upload very soon. Then after completing material soft copy, and by the way, softwares folder where you'll find laptop related software as well as Android related software. So from this you can download and install. By the way, how to install? Android users, how to install? Video is given, application is given. You need to download this. Whereas a laptop, only applications were given here. How to install? You will find that video YouTube link in the mail you got. You have received the mail, right? Inside that mail, you will get the installation video link, YouTube link. In the last of the mail, you'll find it. So that's about the resource that you are getting, books that you are getting, classes that we are giving. Now, what you need to first understand. Now this question many students will have. Sir, whatever the recordings that we got through Google Drive are the latest recordings. Yes, they are very much latest, which are applicable for November 22, May 23. For November 23, we have not recorded exclusively anything else. But I'm telling you, these recordings are applicable for November 23 as well, because this is a subject called audit, which contains no amendments hardly. And every time a question paper comes, we will give, question paper video, suggested answer video. But these topics, remember, by the way, these topics already videos were there in the Google Drive which you got, videos were already there. Okay, but for these topics, once again, I'm going to do a fresh recording. Like in standards, for these 5 standards, I'm going to do a new recording. Professional ethics full chapter, I'm going to replace. You in the Google Drive you got, right, mail. In Google Drive you got, professional ethics recordings, right, video files. They were previous version. So in the month of December 2022, I'm going to upload new professional ethics chapter, complete new videos. Now you immediately have a doubt, sir, should I wait for new ethics chapter videos or can I watch the existing? You can absolutely watch existing videos, no problem at all. After I upload new, watch once again. It will be a very good no for you. It will be a second time, good revision. Then quality review, I'm going to change. By the way, I'm adding new videos, right, for these chapters. Is it because of amendments? No. Just as a part of improvement program, we are replacing them. Because these are the topics which we recorded in 2021 second half. Whereas remaining all other videos that you have got were recorded in 2022 year. Mostly. They were recorded in 2022, which is latest version based on latest video. But these chapters, I'm going to re-record once again freshly and uploading by December end. Getting it? So these topics, case-based MCQs and past examination question papers of these 4 items. So these are the new recordings which you're going to get. By the way, for all these chapters, already recordings are available, existing. You can even watch them, not an issue, because they are also latest. They are relevant for your exam. But just that we are replacing for them. What about remaining chapters, sir? They were all new recordings which were done in 2022 year completely. Okay. Next, coming to, if at all you are a smart course student, these chapters are not covered in smart course. I think before you enroll for smart course, you might have already gone through the promotional video. Okay, so I'm not repeating on this now. So whether you are a full course student or smart course student, what chapters that you are getting, you are aware of. Full course student will get 21 chapters recording. Smart course student will get 14 chapters recording. Now, whether it is full course or smart course, what is the order in which we need to watch the lectures? This is the main question. We have clearly given. I divided the entire syllabus into 2 parts. First priority chapters and last priority chapters, or you can also call it as second priority chapters. So first you need to watch fundamentals videos, very important. Please watch this video till the end. Keep this file. This file you have got in Google Drive, no? Yes or no? You have got this in Google Drive. As soon as you open the link, you'll find a PDF file here, order of watching the videos. So that file only I'm opening and showing you. Then you need to watch company audit, then audit report, then you need to go for standards, then ethics. Now immediately you may get a question, sir, ethics, no, you're going to replace with new videos, right? Suppose I already finished watching up to standard. Should I wait for new videos or can I proceed with existing videos? Don't stop for new videos, proceed with existing videos. After uploading new video, once again, if you want to check back, you can check back, not an issue. Then after watching professional ethics main video, watch once revision video immediately. Open revision videos file, immediately watch revision. Okay, professional ethics only for that chapter. After watching regular video, I request you immediately to watch revision video 1. Then corporate governance and audit committee. Here I want to bring your attention. We are only covering audit committee topic. Remaining part of corporate governance is covered in your corporate law. In your CA final law paper, corporate governance topic is covered, like board of directors, nothing but LODR regulations. What is risk management committee? What is remuneration committee? What is nomination committee? What is finance committee? What is corporate governance committee? What is corporate governance compliance? All that entire LODR regulations. They were called as LODR regulations. If at all you're not aware of them, wait for your corporate law coaching. Getting it? In that you'll be covering in depth. So only that topic and schedule 3 topic we are not covering in CA final audits. Now, by the way, corporate governance I'm not covering, right? Does it have weightage in exams? Yes, it is important. But instead of reading in audit, it is better to read from law material. It is better to listen to law classes because the material given in corporate law is in-depth and very detailed. In audit, you don't even have illustrations. You don't even have examples. Just bare material is given. That too, some mistakes were there. Getting it? Next. Then you need to immediately watch peer review and quality review. By the way, quality review, again, I'm uploading new videos. So then you need to go and watch bank audit, then you need to watch NBFC, then you need to watch CFS, then you need to watch insurance audit. Now here I want to bring your attention. Suppose if you are a smart course student, if any of these chapters were not there for you, just ignore that and follow this order. Simple. Simple. Then you need to watch IMO audit, internal management operational. Then you need to watch due diligence, then forensic, then audit in automated environment. After you finish all of them, what you should do, question bank videos you need to watch. Question bank videos, especially for which chapters? 1, 2, 3 chapters you need to watch. Immediately you need to watch for which chapters? 1, 2, 3. That's it. Don't watch for ethics question bank and all. First watch 1, 2, 3. Then watch revision lectures. Then watch MCQ lectures. If at all you completed up to this, I'm telling you, damn sure you can attempt minimum for 90 marks. Damn sure you can easily score 55 plus. If you watch these classes properly and give a single revision thoroughly, no 2, 3 revisions, 4 revisions, 5 revisions, nothing, I can assure you 55 plus. If at all your focus level is very high, your attention levels are very high, you can even score 65 plus easily. After finishing all this, if you still have time, come to the second priority chapters. Again, in the second priority chapters, I have given an order. Even if it is a second priority chapter, I have given an order. Risk assessment chapter, strategy chapter, fraud investigation, PSU audit, audit under fiscal laws, liabilities of auditor. Then this 20th chapter, we have given CA intermaterial, and videos are also CA inter videos only. But then why is the institute book, ICI book itself says, open audit strategy chapter in ICI material, CA final, open last page. That itself says for these standards refer CA intermaterial. Which means institute is expecting you to read that full material of CA into full content. Getting it? So for these chapters, I am obeying the institute orders, obeying the institute guidelines, and giving you the same material and same videos. Schedule 3, we are not covering. So this is what I want to convey. And by the way, one more most important thing. Immediately after completing this, please, in the introduction folder, there is another video called Standard Speed Only. So there is a video called Standard Speed Only. Please watch that video, very important. So what that video is talking about, you need to watch all the classes at standard playback speed. Many students I am noticing they're watching at 1.52 times speed. If you watch at more than 1 time playback speed, which means if you are watching more than standard time, you are doing a very big mistake. Very big mistake you are doing. You are focusing on how fast you are completing lectures, but not focusing on how in-depth you are learning. So regarding this, I did a very good, very detailed in-depth analysis on why you have to watch at standard playback speed. So kindly go and watch that standard playback speed video, please. After watching that, after watching all this, then you download the softwares, then install. The installation video is also given in the mail. Whatever the mail you have got, in that mail, installation video link is also given. By the way, for Android users, if at all you want to install it on Android, the application is given in the same drive, and the video how to install is also given here. So why late? So enjoy the lectures. Start with the order in which I specifically told you, in the same order. Don't deviate from the order. Have a nice time. All the best. For any queries, for any doubts and all, you can always text me on Telegram. In fact, if at all you want to ask a bigger doubt, you can put a voice clip. So I'll be replying you as soon as possible within the same day. Not even same day. I can tell you, within 1 or 2 hours, I'll reply you. 99% of the times within 1 hour, I'll reply you. And some exceptional cases, I'll be replying you by end of the day. That's it. For any sort of issues related to audit, lectures, whatever you're going to watch, you can always reach me. Have a nice time. Bye. All the best.